how to make animated caption template in CapCut. So in this video, I'll show you step by step how to create animated caption in CapCut. First up, after you open the CapCut, so now here is my audio that I want to create the caption for it. So if you have any clip on your timeline that has audio, before you go to the caption section, make sure you hide all those clips. So this clip has audio under it, and I don't want to create caption for the audio. I'll go and hide the clip. After you hide the clip, then you right click on your audio. After you right click on the audio that contains on the video that contains your audio, and then go to create compound clip for it. After you create compound clip for the audio, then you go to caption. After you go to caption, now select the language for your video. After you select the language, you click on this template button. Under the template, if you go to this option now, there is different option. So all of the caption in the CapCut, most of them, they have their own animation. So as you can see now, so all you have to do now, just go through all these sections. There is new, there is hit, there is word by word, there is glow, there is basic. So I will advise you to go all through this section and select the one that you want to use. Before even like you create the caption, you need to select the highlight. So let's say I want to use this one. So I will just click on it and allow it now to finish loading. So after it finished loading, so if you look at this one, as you can see now, after it finished loading, now it's just give me how it will look under my video in this option. If you are satisfied with this one, so just select it like this. After you select it, then you go to this generate button. So from there, now you allow it to finish generating your caption. So now, as you can see, now my caption has been generated. Now here is the caption. So the next thing to do, you go back and unhide all the clips that you hide. After you unhide all the clips, so now here is now my audio. As you can see, here is now my CapCut caption. So if you want to change the color, or if you want to change the template, you just select all the caption. After you select all the caption, you go to this option templates. So from this option now, you go scroll to down and select another one that you want to use. And that's it. If this video helps, don't forget to like and subscribe. We'll meet in the next one.